City class. So today we're going to have an exam. So Lumanti exam kilena oral test. Amliflet arbat skillat niuna. Kawatum tayu speaking major skill bahalu speaking na listening game. Na sub skill bahalu writing na reading game. Na Lumanti fatana na nkon tayu oral test. Wait, speaking exam ilkhonlo. Na حطوني عتني زحطو زيا سلسلة كوي سلسلة غوشتي explain جبري أما أقل أنا حل حطوتات كحطوية سو explain لجبر نخلينا أما جرشة هاي جبر feedback كوي كما حشو الجباء أو أتصل تزجاجكم وصل الجباء نجارات كنجروية مالتي. So let me give him an opportunity. He will introduce himself.
Hi, my name is Brooke and I'm from tenacity class. And now I have an exam. I'm gonna take a test, so stay with me.
Alright, so PONT family حنحط يكحتت نا أنا زيادة حطونا explain كجوراية and then he will explain in his own understanding. So بسلب زانا على رادة explain جوراية مالتي. So زحطتها how culture narratives shape our understanding of love and togetherness. So how culture narratives shape our understanding of love and togetherness. Narrative وي ترخاتات سي أمرنا وي نا فغرنا حدنتنا بهامي كتنكرنا يخوي لولي زحتي. So خزينا بروك حل فيه سلسلة قايكو أبزن سلسلة قاوشتي أربعة نجارات يكري زنا مجمرة جرامريا أنا بالخلاي تايكري موسيلكم pronunciation قالت التعاقمة قالت بتخكل ديلهم بولو بتخكل ديلولو كنرينا مالتي كابتو ساوتاي idea فلوني idea is really matter. So idea بتخكل ديل حل فلو كنرينا مالتي كاو time لكنرينا جزء كنرينا idea flow كنرينا مالتي زي ما متجرشة feedback كده كستاخل لقبو نجر كنقرأي خزكت على بروكينا كنحلف.
I think as my opinion, this question is telling us first the meaning of this question is as my dictionary. How does beliefs and how does traditional or how does cultural beliefs, stories, and how they can shape our understanding of love and togetherness. This is the meaning of the question. And the first one is, I think in sagacity graduation we had a narration. It's all about Imperial Johannes, and that was so incredible. That's because of we had we feel it from our bottom of our heart. It's because of that was so wonderful. And the use of cultural narratives they remind us some memories, or they remind us our ancestors, what did they do before, and what did they what kind of things did they do before. So they tell us this kind of concepts. And also sometimes we have a lot of we need experience from our ancestors. It's because of if I ain't got no any kind of experience, I'm not gonna do none. It's because of if I don't know the past, I'm not gonna know the present, and also I'm not gonna predict the future. So narratives or cultural narratives really helps us. And also, at my understanding, how do cultural narratives, most of the time when I see cultural narratives, I see kind of court, because of, let's say, in Ethiopia, let's say in Tigray, we should use our indigenous knowledge, because of, let's say, most of the time I see movies which made before, it's all about court. And now, before the court, we can't pay to anybody, or the court was by elder or by old people. But now we go to court and we go to court and we give money to the person who called judge, and also sometimes we can be defeated in the court. However, if we go by the traditional way, there are elders, and if we fight, we are not gonna pay because of that's just traditional, that's indigenous, that's just domestic culture. So that we are not gonna pay anything for the old people. Just they are gonna go to, let's say, if me and someone, if we fight, if we fought, just we shouldn't go to court. We should call some old people, and they are gonna make a peace, or they are gonna they are gonna solve the confliction. So traditional or cultural narratives helps us to just conflict. Conflict resolution. That's it. And also there we have a matter. Nowadays, this month, so January, and we have a lot of. There are a lot of weddings. So that in Ethiopia, in Tigray, there are a lot of ways to. There are a lot of ways of wedding, and this is that's so incredible. It's not like now. Before there was, the thing was between families, or the decision was families' decision. However, now families can families don't have any kind of responsibility between the lovers, because of nowadays we are becoming modern, and also we are this time isn't about family, or if I want to marry, it's not all about family. However, it's all about me and my lover. So that, but before our families make an agreement, and I could marry to anybody else if our family made an agreement. So before we had a splendid wedding. However, now it's becoming modern, and also we have, I remember cultural narratives, there's a cultural narrative that's so incredible. We call it kind of great. Love until grave.
Right. Thanks a lot. It was so nice. Appreciate it. I really like the way you talk. I really like his pronunciation. But as long as he is here with me to get some feedbacks, I have to give him some feedbacks, because I want him to be great, to be wonderful. To make him one of the best students in PONT. So I have to give him some feedbacks. نخلوشا أبونت أنا نقبل حدا تمهاري كبيجنر كمنم لينفلات شكال على الدرجة بتصحي شكال على الدرجة بتصحي خلا شكال ممهر نتي بتصحي أبونت بدم بجيرنا أنا الآن دريم كل شيء حلمي حيزوك مسخلني وحادث أنا دريم بجمرة كأو believe achieving أنا حنا بونت مالتله بريج مالتي عم أخل خوينو لو حلمخا لو رأيخا لو زكت الساقع تدلي نجر للصحكاي حامل بروك لولو رأي لهم نقحات بوزات تمهارو حلمي حيزو موتو لابزا achieve الجور لابزا كسخ ولا لولي لابزا من شريشة كوس ولا لولي بنصح كل نجرنا نجبرنا إحنا أزن بليفينا إحنا بليفينا أمنتنا مالتيلو نا بروك الرخوتايو حدا بتعمي دسلود ناي confidence عرس أمنتو بتعمل بلوس إنيرو قالات توصم تولو كاولو بريلو توصم نيرو لأمنو لهم قالات لفوت قالات بدنبي لتتقوموا لهم نيرنا زعما جمريا بتعمي لدنا كل بارت confidence بقى confidence منهم حتى يولي وساني أو يوتنا عم زوسان نجرتالي عرس أمنتي هذا سبب عرس أمنت بنحليه لون نالات كابوز نجر كاوزل جبوا نجرات كرح يمالتي ويكسونومي نعرس أمنت للا كمنهم نجري خونه المس confidence doesn't come from nowhere يبهر confidence تايرليو تعريرليو practiceيرليو نام مجمرة بتلي حدا سبب خزبروك أو ناي advanced level يللو معات بزح كمهارهم كفوتهم لقبهم نجارات بزحات نيو حد جمرتي أو جزاهم تكاتلوا لهم فيديو زي كل شيء بروك أنا فوتي كام جمرة جماري نيرو عشرة جنتاي نيرو رأي نيرو حلم نيرو خزيل ناقرو الإنجليش لك ناقر كاوز بلا عادي بولس كوني نا كل شيء جنتاي نيو ممكار براكتس مجار مسعريك effort result يخوني مجرشات تبني وسيت يخونسي زو خز تسعرو لخا خاكتري الجباك خز تاي سرح له تاي جبر له لبلي بقى تخرج خاكون لجبونا بروك عاوز درجة زمو صحو حساب بإنجليش كجلس مرأيي لعيب تعمي كاوز من حبوس النجاراتيوم ما عرسمنتو تعم فوتي لي بلس عنتي لجلس أنيرو ما التوسنا كومنت هيزوليو زي إكزام زتاي لكم أورال إكزام so أورال إكزام مزحت جزء بزحينتنا communication يو as long as language is used as a means of communication language communication المرداء وانا tools للخونة أو زي ببزح من قد كنرادة دان خلينا ولا حد السبب حسامنا الحد سكن قد سلتلنا حد بصحف كن قد سلنا خلينا زتايبال writing communication يبال زوم writing communication حد السبب مسحفه بمسحف بزعوانا هو التاريخ بزعواس ما سمعني عم تكون خلينا وبزح نجارات وتسيت لو تسألهم نجارات عن مسحف ملقتك حل في خلينا زتايبال writing communication يلاتي ميجازن اسمه سيت ملوختهم بمتى حلفوا بصحف يوم حلفوا أنا خالو تنيونا non verbal communication لبعض body language للو مالتي حدث بعكال تطعيمهم دستوك جلسي خلي أو جلسوا بالعال oral مالتي that's oral communication أو زيوم تايو حدا lips نافرنا كس كاسي نافنا كفافتا زو سنتيوم قالات بعقوا وديوم نوصلو بعقوا وديوم ندمسلو قالات بتعمي تخرج كنجبرنينا أنا أبزنا بروك خزلب نيشن كتمعشني وايد الحسا أبزناي pronunciation right pronunciation صعب لدي practice لدي بتلقى جامي بليم هكاي دقاقي ما كتصيرون اللي كان قرت عليه pronunciation مالت بتركل غيرها مالك علات بتركل غيرها علات مدماتي ما أوانيشن كتسرح لاني وايد الحسب أزياتهم كاوزو actually كاوزو pronunciation كما حشلنا إلى أنها الحلفنا يوتيوب channelنا اللي بخور تخطط لي تلغو ناي thank to sir تعمي it plays huge role in improving your pronunciation so pronunciation خا كاوزو تعم كما حشلنا خالخول تاي thank to sir نا وزنا فيديو ناني أو زنا يوتيوب channelنا فيديو لغنا ينهنا أو بمتاي زمنا thank to sir للو كمنا R sound a sound new purple paper people لولو زياتهم بمدققام تنبتلنا بتعمل حشنا من باخلتنا كعبي مالتي كأولتنا قرتلنا بنصور كسمعي بتركل غيرنا نناقرو منا مالتي النازي عزنا thank you sir إيه أنتن كبلو محانتي challenge كبلو ينا choose juice shoes يكلل إذا أخذ بالي يعني إيش نخلط اللي بفتنا ثلاثنا choose juice shoes يعني choose juice زيا أبنتي يقولي له جزء خير بتعمل ترجع جامي كلام مدي خلوت نجارات لك جبري استزيا بدلي
choose juice
أبغى خانت challenge نياتني yellow lorry red lorry red lorry yeah
red lorry
مزحت جزء thank you sir تلنا زم بتعمل سنت للينا تايم حدا عفنا بفتنة مال هم للخوين عفنا جن بدل مسك خفت خلني ونا أفخلت خفت so red lorry yellow lorry red lorry yellow lorry red lorry yellow lorry
red lorry yellow lorry red lorry yellow lorry red lorry yellow lorry Real lorry, a low lorry. Real lorry, a low lorry. Real lorry, a low lorry.
هاوي شاوتنا ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream.
Ice cream,
Ice cream,
scream.
scream.
يا خسة تلتنا سيزاملك زيادة كامل يا خس. So ice cream,
Ice cream,
you scream,
you scream,
you scream,
you scream,
we all scream
we all scream
for the ice cream.
for the ice cream.
For
For
the ice cream.
the ice cream.
For the ice cream.
For the ice cream.
Ice cream,
Ice cream,
you scream,
you scream,
we all scream
we all scream
for the ice cream.
for the ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream,
Ice cream,
you scream,
you scream,
we all scream,
we all scream,
we all
we all
scream
scream
for the ice cream.
for the ice cream.
For the ice cream.
For the ice cream.
All right. So ice cream. خزيل عملت smile تالس للدمسني. Smile تقول smile.
Smile.
Smile. Smell.
Smell.
Sniff.
Sneeze.
زي أخذ وانا ملكتك زي Yeah. So I scream.
I scream.
You scream.
You scream.
We all scream
We all scream
for the ice cream.
for the ice cream.
Alright. So first sound بالحالة الفلانية انت ماهرنا نيرانا. See. So four,
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 five,
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 four, five.
four, five.
I have four brothers.
I have four brothers.
I have four brothers.
I have four brothers.
Okay. So the other thing I just want you, I want to ask you a question. You didn't mention about love. You know how narrative helps to get to work in our love, our togetherness.
I was about to talk about love.
Yeah.
And I think in some other countries there is a different of love. There are different kinds of love. In the first one is couples love, and the second is friends love, and also families love. And I think most of the time in Ethiopia we have family love. It's because of, especially in holiday, especially in the holy finding of cross, or we call it mescal. We have very special love. It's because of everybody. If the person was in the foreign country, or if he was abroad, and everybody come to this country or to Tigray, and everybody gathered and we celebrate a beautiful holiday. So this is a culture, and also it might be a religious holiday, and also it's just a cultural holiday, so that we make a beautiful love, or we make a peace. It's because of it's just family love. And second one is couples love. I told you before that this month is wedding love wedding month in this in Tigray. It's because of many people think, I mean, many people are waiting now. It's because of many people think, you know, what's the reason why everybody is marrying? It's because of this month, you know, we collect our harvest, or we collect our harvest, so that we are, I mean, they are waiting. In the third is most of the time, French love there is in Brazil most of the time. It's because of even there they say, I mean, they have one proverb that says, "Friends is like a star. He's not. He might not be always with you, but he will be in your mind."
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Alright, so PONT family, ያው እስካዕ ሕዚ ዝሰማዩ ናይ ብሪክ እንግሊሽ it was so nice. ኮመንቲ ሃምዛ ዓንትወለልኩም ኣብዝና ኮንፊደንስ ብጣዕሚ ደስ ሃሊና ኢና ና ፕሮናንሲዬሽን ብጣዕሚ ደስ ሃሊ ና ካልኦት ክሰርሕ ልግባእ ከዚ ኩሉ ሻዕ ትናገር ተለኻ ስቶሪ ቴሊንግ ብጣዕሚ ይፈላለ ይፈጥር ና ሓደ ሓሳብ ተቕርብ ተለኻ ዝኾነ ታሪክ ካብ ታሪክ መዝገብ ትጠቅስ ተለኻ ኣብዚ ንግግርካ ብጣዕሚ ልዙ ንግግርካ ውበት ይወሎ ማለት እዩ እና ና ብሩክ ልረና ይልታይ ታሪካት የተወሰነ ታሪካት ለሓወሰ ነይሩ ብዛዕባ ትግራይ ለገለፀ ነይሩ ኣመጣፃ ናይ ሓደ ሓደ you know marriage wedding ceremony ለገለፀ ነይሩ so that's perfect appreciated so whenever you talk whenever you are delivering a speech you know you have to tell a story ክናገር ነና ማለት እዩ እና ብተወሳኺ ታገር ነይሩ proverb ማለት ኣባህላ ምሳሌ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ንግግርና ኩሉ ሻዕ ኣባህላና ምሳሌ ተሓውሰልና አለ ታይ ኩሉ ንግግርና ብጣዕሚ ሰባት ይድበሩም ሽቃ መጨረሻ ልክሰምዑና ይሕግዙም ብሎ ማለት እዩ እና I'm so proud of Brooke because like I told you before I know Brooke like the back of my hand I know somebody like the back of my hand ቴና ታማቲ ሓደ ሰብ ብደንብ ገይረ ይፈልጠክ እንትኾይና I know him very well ኒልና I know him like the back of my hand ቴና ብደንብ ገይረ ይፈልጦ ማለት ኢና Brooke ተምሃሪ ካብ መጀመርያ ካብ ቢግነር ሌቭል ጀሚሩ እና ሓፂር ግዜ ብልብሃል ብጣዕሚ ሓፂር ግዜ ኢና ኣብ ሓደ ዓመት ምናምን እዚ ነገር ክእለቶም ፅውሉ ናዚ ነገር እዚ ብጣዕሚ ኣፕሪሼት ክግበር እዩ ሰው ቀፃሊ ምስ ብሩክ ሓደ ሕቶ ስለለው ላይ ሓረፀኒያ ክፅውዖ እየ ከዚ ግን እዚ ፈተና ስለዝኾነ ካሊእ ኢንተርቪው ክህልየና እዩ ምስ ተምሃሪና ሮቤል ሮቤል على መድረክ ፕሊዝ come to your front. All right, here we are. So would you please remind me your talking point? It's not with me.
Okay, just first, hi. And my name is Robel. And my topic is what are the actions to cultivate love and freedom?
Yeah. So what are the actions to cultivate love
and freedom?
Freedom. All right. So now, Brooke and I, Robel, what are the actions to cultivate love and freedom? So cultivate ማለት ያማቲና ነርና
to improve or to motivate.
Yeah, so ሓደ ነገር ምእካብ ወይ ሓደ ነገር ንምግናይ ነፃነት ወይ ፍቅሪ ንምእካብ ታይታይ ጻዕር ክንገብር ነና ልል ዝሕቶ እና so ምስ ሮቤል ክልኒ ስለስደኻ ፀንሕና ብሓደ ናብ ተመሳሳሊ ሮቤል ኮመንት ክንወይና ፊድባክ ክንወይና ወይ ኣቆፃለ መሓሽው ክመጽል ነገራት ክንነግሮይና ማለት እዩ so love Ruby.
Okay, just hi again. And you know, I'm gonna start with love, ways how to cultivate love. You know, the first thing that you have to do to cultivate love is to love yourself. And when we come to the meaning of loving yourself, to love yourself just the way you are. You know, if you love yourself just the way you are, it's easy to love others just the way they are. And the second thing is to set boundaries to yourself and just to have goals. You know, if you set boundaries to yourself, just, you know, no one's gonna just pass the red line. No one's gonna just do something. And also, yourself is not gonna do something. So, you know, we have to love ourselves just the way we are, and we have to set boundaries. And the second thing is just we have to help people. Just we have to give a hand to the people we love. And you know, we have to promise ourselves that we're going to be kind, and also that we have to serve people to lift the people around us up. Understand? If they do good things to us, the good thing that we have to do is to help them or just to give them a hand if we help them, just it's gonna be a good way to make our relationship strong. And the third way is to be grateful or to have a gratitude and to give your time. You know, let me start from time. You know, our time is the most precious or the most priceless thing in our life. So if we give them our time, just know that they're gonna give us their value. They're gonna give our time a value. And also just if we are just gratitude, if we reflect our gratitude, it's good. It's just more than good. Because you know, if someone do good things to you, you have to just reflect or you have to appreciate it. But most in our country, just most of the people, we don't practice appreciation. Just if someone do good things to us, just most of the people think that saying thanks or saying sorry just is backwardness or that we are late, that we are letting ourselves down. But you know, it's not just that kind of thing, because you know, saying thanks and saying sorry is a good thing in our just a good thing. That's the thing that can just make us proud ourselves. And when we come to the second about freedom, you know, if you want to cultivate your just freedom, you know, we have to set goals. Set goals, you know, it starts from defining your personal goals that are related with your passion and try to make them reality. You know, the best way, just if you want to set your goals and then just create an opportunity by yourself. Create the opportunities by yourself. Just don't expect them to be happen. The biggest fault that most of the people do in our country, you know, they have a dream, they have a goals, they do a lot of things, but they expect the opportunities to be happen. But you know, we don't have just we don't have to expect the opportunities to happen. Just we have to create them by ourselves. That's the good way, just to cultivate it, to just improve it, and also just to gather it. And the second thing is, you know, you have to give your time to your dreams, to your goals. You have to just you have to be serious on your dreams, because you know, most of the people, they don't give a value to their dreams. They say, I have a dream, so that's all I need. But you know, the thing that you have to do is, if you just have a dream, you have to just set a time to it, because your dream need a time to be just reality, to be happen. So you know, you have to give your time, and also just you have to set your goals. So that was mine.
Right, I appreciate it. It was so wonderful, right? I really like it, the way he tried to mention those two topics about love and freedom. That was really cool. Right. So PONT family, actually, PONT family on our YouTube channel na عمي بالبلد منجدي كوزنا خزي بمسرحنا نركبنا سخات مزحتيكم فيديو تكتاتلو لكم سبسكرايب لي جورو لسه 80% يلرينا زنا يوتيوب الالغوريزمنا خاصتاكم تجورنا ندلي تريو لكم تفوتيكم لايك شير بمقدار الخالص سوات كمهار